I've started my rice garden back up, my hydroponic garden. I haven't used it, I think, since last winter because I was able to grow things outside. But I filled it up with seedlings. This time I pretty much just use things that grow in cool weather. So there's lots of herbs, of course, because I use those all the time. Lots of lettuces and leafy greens. I think I did plant like one tomato and one pepper plant down here at the bottom somewhere, but those tend to grow extremely slowly in these things because it's so cool in the house. It's not usually more than 68 in the house. And then I have microgreens, which are just pretty to add to stuff for a garnish for the most part. But I got some of those growing. I actually ordered a new microgreens container that'll fit in here, I think a little more snugly, so it's more narrow, so I can sit it in here to get the light. But yeah, that's what I got going for the season, so we'll see. I'll post another video once things are bigger to show you how it looks. I will say that I've completely changed my mind. In the past, I said I did not like this system as much as I liked the Garden, which is the other hydroponic garden I have, and there's reviews of both of those on my YouTube channel. But now that I've been using them for a couple of years, I definitely like this one better. It's just easier to clean. That is why. The other one is more aesthetically appealing, more attractive, and it's smaller, so it fits in a smaller spot. But oh my God, to clean the parts is a nightmare. It took me days because it's all these tubes that screw together, these little 6-inch tube parts. So that's a disaster. I have not hooked that one back up. Someday I'll probably use it again because I've paid for it, but not this winter. This winter, I think I'm just going to stick with this one. This is a lot easier to clean because these little cups just pop out. I have each one labeled. I just printed out my own labels. And I didn't buy their stuff. Like all these companies have all this stuff of theirs you can buy. Oh, look at those roots. So what I did is I just bought these hydroponic plugs, grow plugs, and then I put my own seeds in them. And then I just printed out little labels on my label maker and stuck it on each cup. But anywho, if you lift, I'm gonna lift one of those. You lift one of these up, you see it's just a tray under there, a black plastic tray, and then the water is just one or these two tubes, and so the water recycles itself. It comes out at the top. My dogs are making noise. I think they see a dog outside or something. And so it's very easy to take apart and clean and put back together. And then the bottom is where the water bin is, which is just a big old bucket. So this system is just much easier to clean, to take apart, and to put back together. And although it's bigger, it is aesthetically pleasing. I mean, it looks like a bookshelf. So, I mean, it can blend in with your decor. But yeah, that's my current gardening project. All right, bye-bye.